I am surrounded by positivity. I am surrounded by positivity. You are surrounded by positivity. Take 5 minutes today and surround yourself with positivity. Start with the mind. I am blessed. I am healthy. I am. I am. Add something encouraging, powerful, motivating to your I am today. Spend 5 minutes just talking positivity I ams to your body, your mind, and your soul. And you will see a shift happening. Now, fun eyeshadow look. I don't know what we are going to come up with today, but pull your palette out. I'm using Nomad. It's an oldie, but it's a goodie. And I am here to have some fun. I am here to bring a smile to your face and uplift your spirits. So let's get working. Yeah. I love y'all so much. My eyes are based. And I'm going to use just random colors. I'm just going to pull colors out and do a look. You don't have to have the same palette, but you can just pull a palette out and create something. Just have fun, some makeup fun. This is a brown and this is going in the crease. Like I say, no rhyme or reason, just here to motivate, have fun, communicate with you, and see where our thoughts are today. Today, I am laughing because I wake up as usual, said my prayer, my dear God, and whatever I said. Get up, brush my teeth, wash my face. I had 2 plums and a little bit of raisins and almonds, and get my water ready, put my socks on, sneakers on, plug in the treadmill, and then just started working out, walking. Right now I'm just buffing this a little because again, I don't know where I'm going with this yet, but as usual, something beautiful is going to come out of it. Let's look at ourselves like artists. If you have ever done pottery, you know while you're spinning that clay on that thing, it doesn't look anything like what you have in mind. But then when you're finished with it and you color it and you put it in the oven to bake and it comes out as beautiful as ever, and you're surprised. You're like, what? I've done pottery. That's how I'm saying the steps. I did a beautiful little vase for me years ago, back in the 80s. It was gorgeous. The glaze on that when it comes out from the oven, it's like, I did that? Yes, I did. Yeah. There's a blue in there, so I'm going to take that blue and I'm going to go right here in the middle. Same brush, I just clean it. It should be a smaller brush, but at this point of the game, we'll make it work. And I'm just tapping it right here in the middle. While I'm on the treadmill, I walked 2.71 miles today. And I was walking at the speed of 2.8 miles a minute. I didn't start with that. I always start low while I was eating the plum. I usually don't eat anything. I just usually get on there. The most I'll have is water and my almonds and raisins. But today I had a plum. I took 2 plums, but I ate 1. See the blue? Navy blue. And then, I put the TV on for background noise, but today it was what was I watching? Oh, Living Single was still on. So I was watching that, and while I walk, when I get to 50 minutes on the treadmill, you know how the mind like to play games with you? It tells me, you know what? You are getting tired. You should stop. And I'm like, oh my Lord, your legs starting to get tired. Everything's starting to get tired. And it's, your brain is saying, yeah, see, you getting tired. There is a green. I'm going to go in the outer corner. So at 51 minutes, my legs are telling me I am tired. And I'm like, God, I need to finish that. You are going to see me through this. I'm going to do it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm saying that to myself. And then I'm like, okay, gotta change this mind frame because this cannot be happening. So I said it louder. I say, I am going to make it. God is going to push me through. I tell you, my kids, my family already used to me, so no problem. If somebody passing by and they hear me that loud, they'll be like, there's a crazy woman over there. And I felt good. I was like, okay, I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. And then I said it loud again. I said, I can make it. God is going to push me through. Do you have those days where you just have to keep repeating God's name over and over and over because if you stop, you ain't gonna make it? The last 10 minutes is the hardest one. I was like, no way, I am going to make it. I made it to 60 minutes, 1 hour, and I let it go for another minute and a half. I say, because God put me on there to finish and I'm done, but I'm going to show this negative thought that I can do more. And I did an extra 2 minutes. And then I put it off and I get off. This color right here is a pretty lime green. Can you see it? I think I'll put this in the inner corner. I have no glue on there. It's a shimmer. It's very, very pretty. So I'm going to put that on the inner corner. I still haven't put anything in the brow bone because I need something in the brow bone. You see how pretty this is? But that is how my morning started. It's still morning. As usual, I brew 1 cup of coffee. And then I put 2 extra cups. And then I put 2 extra cups with different tea bags in there, and I let it brew. I pour the hot water on it and I let it brew, do its thing. And later on, I will have the teas, and I'll have maybe 2 or 3 8-ounce cup of water. And if I feel like drinking more for the rest of the day, I will. But all day long, I'm having tea. I have green tea. I have Earl Grey tea. So I will brew that. I already had my coffee. I will drink at least 3 to 4 cups of tea during the day, plus my coffee, plus I have a big 24-ounce cup full with water, so I'll drink that. If I drink all of that and the teas, I'll add more water to that, and I'll drink until later on. I'm going to use one more color in the brow bone. It is like a silvery one. Again, it's shimmer, and I don't put glue in my brow bone unless it's a one color or something else. But today's I surround myself with positivity. I surround myself with positivity. See that color in the brow bone? So pretty. Take a look on the other side. I hope you pull your palette out and is having a little bit of makeup fun. I hope you get to uplift your spirits today. I hope this video helped you uplift your spirits. Now I'm just blending and let us reveal what our final look looks like. Today's look with the Nomad Haunted Europe palette. This is the look. This is the look. This is what I created today. A fun makeup look. Lots of fun. I adorn this with my crown. This is my crown. I made it. Thank you all again for watching. Please remember to share this video. And as always, until I see you and you see me, I want you to take 5 minutes and be positive. Just let positive thoughts flow right through you. Just mention love, life, joy, happiness, wealth. There are so many positive things you can say to yourself. So start now. 5 minutes. Just give yourself 5 minutes and watch how your thoughts change. I will see you very soon in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.